You find yourself owing the IRS or state money that you cannot immediately pay. How do you resolve this to get it paid? What are your options? Hi, I'm Gary, and welcome to TaxBulldog for the best thoughts and ideas for trimming your tax debt. Now, these videos are to help you to help yourself to avoid costly professional fees. If your situation has a level of complexity, you may want to consult a professional. These videos will at least give you an introduction of what to expect and to know when someone is just misleading you. If you feel you need help, see my video on selecting a tax professional to represent you at this link. I will put this in the description below. I will cover information on states where I can. There are 50 states and each having their own unique tax laws. While I have worked with many states in my years in this profession, they do change at times. I cannot keep up with 50 states, where it's easier with the IRS. Every time I have an interaction with a state, I update my notes on it. The information I provide in this video is not legal advice and should not be relied upon as such. All or portions of this video are copyrighted and all rights are reserved. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to apply for an IRS installment agreement. I will also briefly talk about state installment agreements. With the IRS, you can apply online by calling them at 800-829-1040 or the phone number on a notice you have, or you can mail in a Form 9465. If the IRS has not been in contact with you in person, other than by mail, you can apply online by one of the methods that follow. If an agent has been in contact with you, contact that agent to work out an agreement. Now, before applying for any agreements with the IRS or state, you must have all tax returns filed that are relative to you or any other entity interests you have, such as businesses, partnerships, estates, fiduciaries, etc. Having all these in order is what is called being compliant with the tax law. Any loose ends can cause a rejection of your application. To apply online, your tax debt must be less than $50,000 for individuals and less than $25,000 for businesses, including the penalty and interest. Go to this link for detailed information. If you don't qualify for an online agreement, you can still apply by completing Form 9465. Also, complete a Form 433F for individuals. Businesses will complete a Form 433B. Then call the 800-829-1040 phone number or the phone number on your notice. When completing these Form 433 series forms, be sure to answer all questions and provide the required information completely. Do not hold back or fail to disclose any relevant information. That can cause serious difficulties with getting your agreement approved. This could be where you may want to consult with an experienced professional to avoid any issues. Now with states can be quite demanding and difficult, more difficult than the IRS. Most states do accept installment agreements, and each state varies based on its laws. Most states will accept agreements to pay for up to 3 years. Some states are shorter, and some states will not accept installment agreements at all. Now, unlike the IRS, some states do not give consideration to your ability to pay because of IRS payments you are committed to. The IRS does give consideration to payments you are making to your state in determining your ability to pay the IRS. States look to get your tax debt paid within a certain timeline without consideration of living expenses or other debt. Depending on your state, it may be to your advantage to set up a state agreement before doing the IRS. Now, many states have a law to revoke or block renewal of business and professional licenses, including real estate, accountants, and attorneys, if the tax debt is not resolved. State tax debts are typically a lot smaller than with the IRS. It seems that most people are able to pay them off and just deal with the IRS. So in summary, you can apply for an IRS installment agreement online, via telephone, or directly with an agent. You must be compliant in filing all your taxes relative to you and any tax entity interests that you have. States have different requirements and it varies state by state. You may want to strategize setting up agreements with your state before doing the IRS. Now here are some resources, and I'll put these in the description below. TaxBulldog.com. This is my website with many articles, documents, forms, and other information in regards to dealing with tax collection and audit issues. I try to demystify things. /IRS Back Taxes book at this link. And TaxBulldog here on YouTube for helpful videos. The IRS on YouTube, and this is a treasure trove of helpful videos for taxpayers. It's very good stuff. The IRS on tax scams. See the links in the description below. But this is what to watch out for and the games that scammers play to steal your money. They are very good at it because they are professional thieves. So in closing, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it and you got some ideas out of it, Please give me a like and share it with your family, friends, and colleagues. This is all I do, and I do it well. Please subscribe to see my future videos as I produce them, so you can be aware of topics that may be timely and important to you at that time. Also, from time to time, I will update the descriptions in my videos as I add other relative videos and information as an update. Check back often. I may have something new for you. After a period of time, some of the tax law, regulations, processes, and procedures can change. I will post updates on my website at TaxBulldog.com and in the videos here on YouTube. I will also post updates in the descriptions of previously posted videos. Now, after a period of time, some of the links may expire as old content is changed or removed from the web by others. Thank you.